Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to download Hallow app in your device. So to know what is Hallow app and what it is used for, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So the Hallow app is a Catholic prayer and meditation app designed to help users deepen their faith through guided prayers, meditations and religious content. So this app is used for daily prayer and meditation, sleep stories and calm music, rosary and chanting, Bible study and homilies, challenges and community. So this app is very useful. So to download this app you need to visit your app store, or if you're an Android user you can simply visit your Play Store and download the app very easily. So now let's go to our App Store, and after that you need to click on the option search, which is at the bottom right, and after that you need to search the app that is Hallow. Now here you can see the app Hallow, and to get this app you need to click on this app icon, and after that you need to click on this option Get, which is highlighted in color blue. And if you are new to this app you need to verify yourself by double click to your power button, and within a very few seconds your app will be downloaded in your device and you will be ready to explore its features, and it has amazing features to explore and to know more about this. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.